How to change your name on Dunk City Destiny. So this is the new mobile basketball game. It just came out. It's going viral everywhere. A lot of people they're asking how to change their name. So if this video does help you, make sure you like and subscribe. People are saying it's very hard, but I promise you it's super simple and easy. So what you have to do firstly is make sure you go on your App Store or your Android Play Store. Then once you're here, you got to search up Dunk City Destiny. Then once you search up Dunk City Destiny, make sure you are on the latest update. If you're not, this is not going to work. So what you have to do is if you're not on the latest update, you're going to have to click on the sign right here and click on update. But if you are on the latest update, you just have to click on open right here and go to the game. Then once you do that, it should bring you to this page right here. Now from here, you're going to have to go all the way to the left and click on your name. Now from here, as you guys can see, my name right here is Instructify, which is my YouTube name. But if I do want to change it, I'm going to have to click on this little pencil icon right here. So just click on that. As you guys can see, you do need to be level 20. As of right now, I am not level 20. But if you are, you should be able to change your name to basically anything you want because this game just came out and most of the names are not taken. So once you do that, you're just going to have to go back. And that's basically how you change your name on Dunk City Destiny. So this would have helped you. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.